For a casting director or director, there's nothing worse than watching an actor mail in their audition. It's painful and obvious that they haven't worked on the role. It's a waste of their time and yours. So if you're auditioning for an actual role, bear down, do the work. Approach your auditions with the same dedication you would have if you were hired to shoot. Put in that commitment. It'll show. Why put time in something that you haven't booked? Well, you're not just auditioning for this part. You're auditioning for every future project of that director or producer. If they don't cast you this time, but you impress them, they'll remember you. They remember anyone worth remembering. And you're always auditioning for the casting director. Remember that. They're putting their neck on the line with every actor they submit, which is why they start with tapes. They need to weed out the ones who just didn't give their all. Finally, every audition is an opportunity to act. For real. In front of people. This is your art form. Does a singer or dancer audition with an uncommitted version of their song or dance? No. I mean, if they did that, how far do you think their career would go? Why should actors be any different? Do it for your pride, your self-respect. Do it for the craft. At the end of the day, you should be satisfied with your own commitment to your craft. So treat every audition like it's a shoot. And remember, rehearse, rehearse, rehearse.